Hi, my name is Rebecca Sharp and I'm the Countryside and Wildlife Team Leader in Neathport Talbot Council. I'm part of the team leading on the delivery of the Lost Peatlands of South Wales project. As part of the project, we are improving the Lost Peatlands landscape in the Upper Avon and Rhondda valleys, aiming to support and increase the wealth of wildlife here. One of the key species the project will support, and one of my absolute favourites, is common cotton grass, which is what you can see in the picture. For those of you interested in Latin name, it's Eriophorum angustifolium. As you can see, it's a very distinctive plant at this time of year, the seed heads resembling fluffy balls of cotton wool. And where there is a very large population across an area, it gives a gorgeous white haze to a landscape. Its name is a little bit misleading, as it's actually a sedge, not a grass. Cotton grass loves damp places, and it's a really good indicator of peaty soils. The Lost Peatlands project will restore a number of areas of peatland, and hopefully we'll get to see this lovely plant and its fluffy seed heads produce their gorgeous display across our Lost Peatlands landscape. Historically, the plant was actually used for stuffing pillows and for wound dressings, which makes sense, seeming it does resemble cotton wool. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'll just zoom in a little bit for you.